come couponing with me this week at CVS using only your phone. I have not used a paper coupon since 2023. There's so many ways that you can stack your deals and save money on every single type of product that you need. We also have a bunch of moneymaker deals today. We have some Ibotta rebates today. I do have 2 different bonuses that I just got that I'm tracking towards my midweek, and then we have a rockin' bonus or something like that. It is quite a few. I need 67 offers, so we'll see if I complete it, but any rebate we do is going to track towards both of those bonuses, which we absolutely love. If you are new to Ibotta, that link will be below for you guys in the description box, as well as the printable breakdown. Before we go in store, 2 stacking tips that you guys can do right now before you coupon. Number 1, check Ibotta. I have a 10% and a 2% cashback offer right now for CVS. Yours may vary, so let me know in the comments what you actually wind up getting, but I'll show you guys at the end how that actually winds up helping us, because we're going to submit our receipt and get cash back. You don't have to have a rebate on your receipt to get that. That's its own rebate. It's kind of like an any item rebate, right? So definitely make sure you're taking advantage of that. The second thing you want to do is check Rakuten. You're going to click in store at the bottom. CVS was giving back 5%. Today they're giving back 2.5%. So it does vary, but that's another 2.5% for clicking 2 buttons. You click in store, you click add, and you activate it. So then what you do have to make sure you have on Rakuten though, go to your profile at the bottom, go to linked credit cards, and link the card that you're going to be using at checkout. You're only putting the card numbers. You're not putting the expiration or CVV, so don't worry about that. But that way it can send the information to Rakuten once you check out, and you're going to earn that cash back as well. So those are 2 extra things that you guys can do to further make your deals even better by stacking. That's just part of these strategies that I'm going to be teaching as well. I have a free live coupon class this Thursday at 3 p.m. It's going to be hosted on Zoom. So for the link, that'll be below for you in the description box, or you can just go to this website. Doing a Q&A at the end as well. So please bring me your questions. We're going to be saving money so we can have a stress-free holiday, and we're going to do it together. Let's pop into CVS now and take advantage of these moneymaker deals.
You know we're going to start off strong, so we're going to start off with a moneymaker deal on Crest oral care. So this is why you should never be paying full price for oral care. What we're going to be doing is combining 2 different deals. So the first one is on the expensive ones for $8.99. Buy 2, get back a $5 extra back. We're going to grab one of the gum and restores. This is going to be $8.99. It works with a $4 coupon. Plus I have this 4 off 20 CRT that I'm going to be using. Next, we're grabbing this deep stain remover for $8.99. There is a separate $4 digital coupon, and it also works with that store coupon. So this is the first deal. If you were to do it by itself, after the coupons come off, you would pay $9.98, earn back the $8 extra buck. Earn back the $5 extra buck, makes your final cost $2.49 a piece. Then you're also going to be able to submit over to Ibotta, which is a cashback app, and you're going to earn $2.50 cash back per product. That makes both of these completely free, so anybody can get these for free this week. And of course, if you're new to Ibotta, my link is below in the description box, or you can use this code. When you submit your first receipt, you're going to get a $5 bonus, so that's how you can get these for a $5 moneymaker. In order to use that 4 off of 20 Crest CRT, we have to be at $20 or more of Crest products. So to reach that, I'm going to combine that with this deal. For buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and the products are on sale for $3.97. So I'm going to grab one of these. We have a $1 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon, so click that. Next, we're going to grab one of these smaller Crest mouthwashes for $3.97. We have a separate $1 off 1 digital coupon. Now we're going to be able to use that 4 off of 20 CRT. So I'm going to do all 4 of these in one transaction. So total is $25.92. We're over 20, so the $4 CRT will come off. Then after all of the manufacturer coupons and everything come off, I'll pay $11.92. I'm going to earn back a $4 extra buck here and a $5 extra buck here, plus $5 cash back from Ibotta for the expensive Crest products. That's going to make my final cost completely free and a $2.08 moneymaker. Here's a deal that caught my eye as well because my husband uses the Total Body. They're buy one, get one half off, but this specific scent is on clearance for 30% off. We also have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Digital coupons do work with clearance items as well, so definitely double check if it's a product you need. I did check Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. I personally don't have any cashback offers, so if it's something you need and it's at your stock up price, then this could be a good deal for you. I do have a free download for you as well for my different stock up prices that I personally have in the description box, so take a look for download that. here's a cheap deal. No coupons are needed. I shared this in my holiday savings club deals. The Gillette shave foam is buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $4 extra buck. There's no coupons or anything, so you would pay the $5.38 out of pocket, but you can always pay with extra bucks as well to lower your cost. Then you're gonna earn back the $4 extra buck, makes it $1.38 for two of them, so not a bad deal. Another razor deal, anyone can grab these Venus razors for 99 cents each this week. So these are the cheapest ones at $7.99. They're buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $4 extra buck. We have two different $3 off one digital coupons. So grabbing two is gonna be $11.98 minus the $6 in digital coupons. Then you're gonna wind up paying $5.98, getting back the $4 extra buck, makes your final cost $1.98 for two packs or 99 cents a piece. That is beyond a great stock up price, so definitely grab it if it's a product you like. Now we're gonna take it a step further. So I'm still gonna be doing this deal, but this time I'm gonna be grabbing 4 of them because we actually have 3 of the $3 off one digital coupons. Plus I have this Venus CRT, which is a store coupon for 6 off of $24. So total for all this is $23.97. My store follows the 98% rule, so that CRT will work. I'm gonna wind up paying $8.97 after all the coupons come off. I'm still gonna earn back the $4 extra buck. That's gonna make my final net cost $4.97 for all 4 products. Or I think about $1.24 a piece. That's insane. The next deal we're gonna do is on TRESemmé. We're gonna grab these for 99 cents a piece as well. So they're on sale, buy two, get a $5 extra buck, and they're gonna be regularly priced. The cheapest ones included are these smaller 16.5 ounce bottles here for $5.99. Now they're not tagged, so what you're gonna do is scan it in the CVS app. It'll pull this up. It shows we have a digital coupon for 5 off of 2. First, you're gonna click send to card. We're gonna activate that coupon. Then when you click on the product, it'll pull up the products page. Scroll down, you'll see that they are included in the promotion. So grabbing 2 is gonna bring me to $11.98 minus the $5 coupon. We're gonna wind up paying $6.98 out of pocket, earning back the $5 extra buck, makes your final cost $1.98 for 2 of them, or just 99 cents a piece. So this is gonna be my first transaction. I'm gonna let you in a little secret for how I put together my transactions. First, what I do is I check how many extra bucks I have available to use to lower my out-of-pocket cost of my first transaction. I have $10.34. So what I'm gonna do is put together my deals so I can use that to lower my cost, earn extra bucks back, and roll those then into my second transaction. So total for all this, after all the coupons, I'm gonna pay $27.87. I'm gonna use those extra bucks, so I'll pay about $17.53 plus taxes out of pocket. Now, I'm also going to be earning cash back from Ibotta, so it's gonna lower my cash costs, and you can pay with Fetch Rewards gift cards if you have any to, again, further lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then I'm gonna earn back a $4 extra buck, a $4 extra buck, and a $5 extra buck, plus another $4 extra buck. Then I'm gonna also be earning back $5 cash back from Ibotta, plus 10% for submitting my receipt. So let's go take advantage of a couple more deals, then we'll check out. I'll let you guys know exactly how it goes at checkout if I have any issues, and we'll calculate our final net cost together. We also have a good deal this week on Nexxus products. So they are spend 20, earn back a $10 extra buck. The cheapest products included are these little ones down here that are $11.99 each. There is an $8 off 2 digital coupon. You always wanna make sure that you're scanning the products in the app to make sure that they do attach to the digital coupon. We do have some other small ones here. Now, I didn't scan any of these. I don't know if these work, but just a heads up, make sure you do your homework a little bit, scan them in store. Then we are gonna pay $15.98, earn back the $10 extra buck, makes it $5.98. Then check your Fetch Rewards. I have 2,000 points. The limit is 3. So we're gonna get 2,000 points, which is gonna equal a total of $4 back. That's gonna make your final cost $1.98 for 2, or 99 cents a piece. Now, I don't use this product personally. It's not really a good one for me to resell either, so I think I'm gonna pass on it. But 99 cents is definitely a great price if it's a product you need. Now let's put together the household scenario. So this week, it's back to the spend 25, earn back a $5 extra buck, but we have some really high value digital coupons. So this is the way that I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon on the CVS app. We do have another 4 off 2 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. So if you really wanted to stock up, you could grab 4 of them. Next, I'm gonna grab 2 of these Downy Unstoppables, the 7.8 ounce. They're $6.99 each. We have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app and a $3.50 off 1 on the Coupons 24 app. So let's go over this deal. So these are the 4 products I'm grabbing. Total is $25.96. We're over $25, so we're good to go. We will get back the $5 extra buck. But then we have all of those digital coupons that are gonna come off. You're gonna pay $14.96 plus taxes out of pocket, so way cheaper than going to Walmart. Then you're gonna earn back the $5 extra buck for spending at least $25. That makes your final net cost $9.96 for all 4 products, or $2.49 a piece. The next deal is on Dove products. So they're spend 20, earn back a $7 extra buck. I'm gonna grab this one down here because it's $6.99. Next, I'm gonna grab a whole body deodorant for $12.99. We do have a $5 digital coupon for this one. Plus, we can submit to Ibotta for another $5 cash back. So total for these 2 products is $19.98. After the $5 in digital coupons come off, you're gonna pay $14.98, earn back a $7 extra buck plus $5 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $2.98 for both products, or $1.49 a piece. That's an amazing stock-up price.
All right, we're back in from checkout. Everything went great at checkout. I did 2 transactions. So what I teach everyone in my holiday savings club is make sure minimum you're doing 2 transactions. Even if you're only doing 2 deals, you can roll the rewards you earn from your first deal into your second deal to lower your out-of-pocket costs. That is the whole name of the game. So let me show you guys my transactions. My first transaction was this one. So it was everything that I showed you guys in the video, all of the different products. Here's all of the digital coupons coming off. Here's the 2 CRTs that I had as well. And these are the extra bucks from last week that I rolled, just like I explained to you in the video. Paid $19.62 out of pocket. I did have a little bit left of a Fetch Rewards gift card, so it only cost me $12.86 out of pocket. But then I submitted over to Ibotta, got back $5.20. Now see how the 10% and 2% say $0? That's because it takes Ibotta like 24 hours to do the calculation to see how much you paid out of pocket, calculate that percent cash back, and then give it to you. So I did see some people commenting like, oh, every time I do it, it just gives me 0. Give it a minute. You guys got to be patient. Check your earnings in like a day or 2 and you'll see how much cash back you're earning. In total, I should be getting back about $7.55, including that percentage back. So now, the reason why I submitted this receipt first is because it had a little bit of a higher out of pocket at $19.62. My second transaction was lower. So obviously the higher out of pocket, the more cash back you're going to be getting with those percentages. It is a limit of 1. So that's why you want to pick of your 2 receipts, which one had more out of pocket, submit that one first to Ibotta to get that percentage back. Then my second transaction, I did the spend 25 deal and I did the Dove deal. This one at the top is from the Coupons 24 app. So that one came off first. Then your CVS coupons come off. The extra bucks that I just earned from my first transaction, I give them immediately to roll into my second transaction to lower my cost. Paid $15.16 out of pocket on this one. Then I submitted over to Ibotta and I got the $5 back. Now the percentages are still showing here, but it will not grant me those percentages because that is a limit of 1 unless there happens to be a glitch or something going on that I don't know of yet. I have to wait until I actually get the cash back. If there ever is like something crazy or a glitch or something going on, I do share that on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. It's at Bree Coupon Queen 3. So now let's go home. We got to enter all of this into my digital budget spreadsheet. It's super easy, but that way we know how much did we actually save, what is our final cash cost and our final net cost. It's going to calculate everything for us. I did do a poll on my Instagram and I was like, hey, are you tracking how much you're spending? One was like, yes, I use your spreadsheet. And the other answer was no, it just takes me too much time. Like 80 something % of people said no, it takes too much time. That's literally why I developed my own digital budget spreadsheet. But at the end of the day, you've got to make sure that it's quick, easy, and convenient. So let me show you my digital budget spreadsheet. I show you at the end of every single video exactly how to use it. It's so easy. So let's head home.
So here's my digital budget spreadsheet. Watch how easy it is. All the formulas and everything are built in for you. So this is the brand new month, September. So what you're gonna do is you have your budget, you put it here. Then what you're gonna do is put the date. So it's 9/2 when I'm doing these deals. You're gonna click the drop down. CVS is one of them. I added Meijer and I added Kroger as well. So in the download, if you get the budget spreadsheet, you can just go to this website if you want it. Those will be there for you as well. So retail price is the sale price. What is the sale price of all the products that you grabbed? So for my first transaction, we're gonna add it up. We were at $61.91. Now, out of pocket, how much did I swipe my credit card for at checkout? So my out of pocket on my first transaction, after I used the gift card, was $12.86, including taxes. Rewards, how many extra bucks did I use at checkout? I only used $10.34. Gift cards, these are Fetch Rewards gift cards. So Fetch gift cards, I used $6.76. I didn't buy any gift cards. Total cash back I earned on this transaction was $6.82. And then how many rewards, how many extra bucks did I earn back from this transaction? And it was $18. So we're gonna put that here. Now the rest is gonna calculate for you. So my cash cost calculated for us, my net cost, and percentage saved. So my first transaction, we saved 90.24%. That's incredible. Now my next transaction, we're gonna do the exact same thing. So what is the retail price of everything that we bought? And it was $45.96. Out of pocket on this one was $15.16. Rewards I used to pay was $18. As you can see, rewards. These are always going to be the same because I earned them and then I turned around and used them immediately. Didn't use any gift cards on this transaction. And then total cash back was $5 for the Dove whole body. And then how many rewards did I earn back on this one was $12. So on my second transaction, I saved 77.89%. So up here too, it's automatically going to populate for you. Everything is built into the spreadsheet. Shows that I've saved an average of 85% for that haul. I saved $91.67, which is amazing. And then over here, you want to look as well in the top right, shows you your cost breakdown. So I have $133.80 left to be able to spend for the entire rest of the month. So that's super important because you want to make sure that you're not going over budget when you're couponing. So if you guys want my digital budget spreadsheet, I'd absolutely love for you to have it. It's going to be below for you guys in the products, or you can go to the website like I showed you. Just go to breecouponqueen.com/budget. You can get it downloaded. It's a Google Drive document, so it works on a Mac. It works on a PC. You can download it on your phone. Just download the Google Sheets app because it's saving to your Google Drive. So anyone can use it anywhere, any computer, any device, Android, Mac, iPhone, does not matter. So definitely get that downloaded. Or if you have one that you're using yourself, that's totally fine. Just please make sure that you're tracking your spending. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't reserved your seat for my free live coupon class, then click the photo right here. And if you're not subscribed, click my face icon and I'll see you in my live class in 2 days.